How to log in Citibank credit card account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can go ahead and then log in to Citibank credit card account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to log into your Citibank credit card account, all you have to do is first of all open up your browser and go to citi.com. Once you land on this website, I'll also make sure to drop a link. What you want to do is on the top right hand side you will find this option labeled as sign on, so make sure to click on the sign on option here. Once you click on the sign on option, you're going to be taken to this page where you'll find this option called user ID and password. So before this, if you have not yet activated your credit card, you can just look at the bottom next to the register option where you'll find the option called activate. If you click on it, it will take you to the page where you can activate your card. Only after you've activated your card, you can come back, enter your user ID and password, click the sign on option in order to successfully sign into your credit card account. That's all it takes to sign into your Citibank credit card account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.